my YouTube channel again. I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to make a new vlog. I'm going to take you with me in an awesome place, beautiful place. This is really amazing. We are going to make a part 2, street art part 2, because so many of you asked me to make part 2 because they enjoyed part 1. If you didn't watch part 1, I will leave it in the description below so you can watch it. So let's go!
Dark's all that I see when your stars are burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.
First of all, you need to take the train BTS from I think Moshit station to Ratchet TV station. We are in Ratchet TV station. It's really beautiful. We are going to walk about 5 or 10 minutes to the park to find street arts. I just want to share with you this beautiful view. You see, it's really amazing and beautiful. Now we are going to walk to the park. Finally, I arrived next to this beautiful park. It's really amazing, but it's hidden. You need to walk about 60 or 80 meters to get into this beautiful park. I am getting inside. It's really amazing. You are going to enjoy. You are going to feel really happy. I'm going to share everything with you, every single painting in this beautiful park. It's really amazing. I'm going to take a nice footage and shot. So let's get started. Now I'm getting inside this beautiful park. Oh my god. Bismillah. Are you ready for this beautiful view? See? This is insane. This is really amazing. A lot of guys here, they are playing, making some sports. People are sitting here everywhere. Couples, they are taking some pictures. It's really amazing and beautiful. Wow, this is amazing. Look at these beautiful paintings. See? It's like small hidden park inside. So they are still making some painting, fresh and new painting. I'm going to share it with you.
It makes no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. If you come to Thailand, you should really visit this park. It's really beautiful, it's awesome. A lot of graffitis, beautiful graffitis, a lot of artists. I do really like this beautiful little kid. So amazing, amazing really. All of the paintings here are so beautiful. And you just come here, you enjoy the view, you take some pictures or videos. It's really awesome. I think this is the best place where to find street art. This is the best place. I went to so many places last time and I shared it with you in the part 1, but this one, it's really amazing. I didn't see such beautiful paintings. This is the first time in my life I see such beautiful paintings. So it's also, there is another place, it's hidden inside there. You need to walk here inside the park. You go right. I'm going there. It's really amazing and beautiful. I would share everything with you. And you tell me in the comments what do you think about this place. Everything here is amazing. You see this one? I think this one is the best for me. This is the best one, best graffiti. For you, let me know in the comments. Oh my god, this park is perfect. When you walk, you can find another part of the park. Here, it's a hidden part also. You need to walk inside the park to find this beautiful art. Oh my god.
This is amazing.
This is perfect. You see this one also, it's amazing. A lot of photographers, videographers, filmmakers, they come here to take some shots, you see. I would take some pictures here, some beautiful pictures, share it with you on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram if you are not following me. I will take some beautiful videos and shots, and we make a nice editing with nice music. And I would share everything with you, you see? second floor also. Oh my god, this is awesome. I have met an Australian guy. He told me that every month, sorry, they change the lower side. You see, this one they change it every month. So it means that next month, if we come here again, so I would find new graffitis and new paintings. This one I think is like original, and they won't change it. They change this on this side. You see, all this side they change it. So this is interesting. So if you are an artist, or you can come here and enjoy, you can do your stuff, your business. It's really amazing and beautiful and easy. So next month maybe I come here to make third part to see if they change it or not. I have finished recording in the park, and now I am going to another station, another place. Oh my god, I do really love this beautiful view here. I'm waiting for the train. It's coming soon in a few minutes. So from Ratchattiwi station you need to go to another station, Ratchattiwi to Siam Paragon, from Siam Paragon to Sapan Taxi, and after that you walk I think 15 to 20 minutes. I am not quite sure. Okay, the train is coming. See you. As you see, the train stations here in Bangkok are always full of people and crowded almost all the time. Oh my god, you see? A lot of people behind me are waiting for the train, but it's really fast, easy and perfect. I arrived to another station. I would put everything for you here, how to get to this place. I feel so hungry, so I bought some cakes. It's about $1. I am very hungry. I am eating outside like crazy man. But it's so funny, it's very cheap. I arrived to another beautiful painting, you see. It's behind me. They call it Alex face. It's really amazing here in Bangkok. You would find it everywhere when you come to Thailand. If you want to see some beautiful paintings and arts, you would find this face everywhere. It's called Alex face. Alex face. It's really perfect. So you would find it everywhere. This is a building so beautiful, but it's gonna be raining soon, and I don't know. I'm not really lucky. But it's really nice. You need to walk, follow the GPS. I am going to find another painting. I need to walk and I use the GPS, but I am not sure if I am going to finish this video today or not. Maybe I would wait next week because the rain, and after that I would record again.